car pictured is a 1964 Type S, one of the last 1071cc models produced, and won the 1967 Monte Carlo Rally. LBL 6D, with competition number 177, achieved historic wins at the Monte Carlo Rally in 1964, 65 and 67, becoming an automotive icon. The 67 victory was the third and final win for the BMC Works team. 33 EJB was driven by Paddy Hopkins to a victory in the 1964 Monte Carlo Rally, an unlikely winner against much larger and more powerful cars. This cemented its iconic status in motorsport history.